In today's video, I want to show you how 3 ingredients, counting this cake mix, turns into a bunch of cookies. So I hope you come along with me while I put this together. For this recipe, I will need 2 eggs. And then I just want to give them a mix and add them into the cake mix. Now I just need to add in 1/3 cup of oil. Now you just want to mix that up. It is going to be quite thick, but it is perfect for making cookies. You can see it start to come together. This is such a fun way to make cookies, and look how quick we put this together. It's just 3 ingredients, counting the cake mix, and you are ready to start making cookies. And you're going to use an ungreased pan. I'm going to just roll the balls like this. We're going to put 12 on a pan and put them in a 350-degree oven. I want to bake them 8 to 10 minutes until they look done. These make quite a few. I have enough to do part of another pan, so I'm going to go ahead and get these put in the oven. This is the cookies as I just put them in the oven, and now you can tell they're starting to form into the cookie. I love that. Look at that. These are just about ready. And now they are done. I'm going to go ahead and let them cool, and then I'm transfer them to the cooling rack. I baked all of the cookies off. This is exactly how many one cake box makes. That is quite a few. I made a simple frosting. I'm going to put it in a plastic bag using a coffee cup. I love to do this if you want to get a little fancy. You could just, use a knife and do it, but, where's the fun in that, right? So I'm going to take the bag out of the coffee cup, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the end and drizzle it over the cookies. Now I just want to put some sprinkles on the top. Just makes them look extra special. These look so good. You could also take these and put them in the freezer, freeze them just like this, and then pull them out and put them in a bag, and they should stay good. You might want to wait and frost them after you freeze them. But I just want to take one of these cookies and break it apart so you can see what the inside looks like. These are so soft and delicious, only 3 ingredients. I really hope you give this recipe a try. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.